Today we have to start chapter 30, Geometry. In this chapter, we have to study about the figures. In previous class, we already read the plane figures like triangle, rectangle, square and circle. In triangle, there are three sides. In rectangle, there are four sides, two are common and two are common. Two are equal and two are equal. Here is square. Square. There are four sides and four are equal. Circle. Circle have no sides. Now we have to revision it. First, we have revised point. What is point? Point has no size. We know this is a point. Point has no side. So, here, point are used to tell the position of a line and object. Point हमें उसकी पोजीशन और लाइन और ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताता है. पॉइंट का कोई भी साइज नहीं होता है. हमेशा हम पॉइंट को कैपिटल लेटर में डोनेट करते हैं. वी आर यूजली नेम्ड विद द कैपिटल लेटर. This is our diagram. This is our line, and these 2 points are called points, and A and B are the names. Second one is line. Now we have to study about the line. A line. What is line? Line extend in opposite direction. Line have no ends. Line AP is represented as AB dash like that. This is our line. These are the points A and B, and line have no ending point because line is going there and line is going there also. Third one, line segment. What is line segment? Line segment are a part of a line. It's a part of a line when one point is started and end with a last point. That's called a line segment. It means two endpoints. A definite length. Line, line segment are part of a line. Line segment have two endpoints and a definite length. Line segment AB is represented as AB dash. Second, ray. What is ray? Ray are a part of a line. Here is a diagram. This is a line. A and B are a point. B denoted it with capital letter. The line, this is known as the extend in one direction. Okay? Line have, rays are a part of a line. Rays extend in one direction endlessly from one point to the another point. Rays have no definite length. Rays AB is represented as AB dash. Next one is parallel line. What is parallel line? Parallel line are always the same direction apart. It means we can take an example of a railway track. पैरेलल लाइन वो होती है जिसमें दोनों लाइन के बीच सेम डिस्टेंस रहता है. वो कभी भी एक दूसरे को टच नहीं करती है, ना ही कभी को इंटरसेक्ट करती है. जस्ट लाइक दिस इज एग्जाम्पल. दिस इज अवर ए बी, दिस इज अवर सी डी. ए बी पैरेलल टू द सी डी बिकॉज दे डोंट इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. नेक्स्ट वन इज इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन. इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन होती क्या है? Intersecting line meet and pass through one another to end one ends. This is the direction. This is the diagram. This is our line. Here, one line is cut from the AB. AB cut from the CD. This is called the intersect line. Line AB and CD meet and intersect each other at a point X. Third is angle. What is angle? Angle are formed by two rays. एंगल टू साइड से बनता है लाइक दिस. ए बी सी. But here they donate with D, B or C. These are the two rays and these are the points. Angles have a common end point with a vertex. एंगल के पास कॉमन पॉइंट रहता है जिसे हम वर्टेक्स बोलते हैं. Vertex is known as V because V is a common point of these two sides. Next one is polygons. What is polygon? A plane figure with three or more sides is known as polygon. Polygon वो होता है जिसकी तीन या तीन से ज़्यादा sides होती हैं. Like triangle. Triangle have 3 sides. Rectangle have 4 sides and square have also 4 sides. These known as polygons. A polygon has 2 dimension, length and breadth. पॉलीगॉन वो होता है जिसकी 2 डायमेंशंस होती हैं जिन्हें हम लेंथ और ब्रेथ बोलते हैं. अब आता है सर्कल. What is circle? What is circle? This is a circle. Circle is a round shape enclosed by a curved line. सर्कल एक वो होता है जिसे हम राउंड शेप में बनाते हैं और उसे हम कर्व लाइन से एनक्लोज करते हैं यानी बंद करते हैं. सर्कल की कोई भी वर्टेक्स नहीं होती है बट सर्कल का सेंटर पॉइंट होता है. एवरी पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन इज द सेम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल. ये वाली लाइन यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाती है तो हम उसे डायमीटर बोलते हैं, बट ये पॉइंट से ये वाली लाइन को टच करती है उसे हम रेडियस बोलते हैं, और ये जो बाहर आउटर लेयर है ना उसे हम कर्व लाइन बोलते हैं. Our introduction is complete. Now we start the exercise. First exercise 13.1. Fill in the blanks. Point have no ends. पॉइंट की कोई भी साइज नहीं होता है, पॉइंट का कोई भी एंड नहीं होता है. सेकेंड, पॉइंट आर नेम्ड विथ कैपिटल लेटर. हम पॉइंट को हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर देते हैं, लाइक कैपिटल A, B, C, D एंड सो ऑन. थर्ड, लाइन्स हैव नो एंड्स. लाइन्स का कोई भी एंड अंत नहीं होता है. लाइन्स वन एंड से कहीं तक, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट से कहीं तक भी जा सकती है और स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट के इधर भी जा सकती है. आई मीन देयर आर टू पॉइंट्स. लाइन इज left side also gone and the right side also gone. It means lines have no ends. Line segment have two end points. Line segment के two points होते हैं like that. These are the 2 points of line segment. Rays have no definite length. रे की कोई भी definite length नहीं होती है. Line segment is represented as AB. Line segment is representative as AB dash. Seventh, line segment AB is represented as AB length with 2 points. Our first exercise is complete. Now we start the kind of lines. How many kind of lines? The main kind of lines are described below. यहाँ पे जो main kinds होते हैं ना लाइन के वो अपन को दिए गए हैं. First है horizontal line. What is horizontal? Horizontal means like that. Horizontal are from left to right or right to left. Horizontal are parallel to the ground and always lie flat. Horizontal lines which are like sleeping bodies. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं horizontal line वो होती हैं जो लेफ्ट से राइट तक जाती है और राइट से लेफ्ट तक, और ये ग्राउंड से पैरेलल रहती है और ये हमेशा लेटी हुई होती है, जस्ट लाइक अ स्लीपिंग बॉडीज. नेक्स्ट इज वर्टिकल लाइन. वर्टिकल लाइन कौन सी होती है? जो अपवर्ड टू डाउनवर्ड जाती है और डाउनवर्ड टू अपवर्ड जाती हैं. वर्टिकल लाइन्स विच आर पैरेलल टू पोल्स. इट्स पैरेलल टू पोल्स. इट्स ऑलवेज स्टैंड इरेक्ट and are like standing bodies. When we stand, it's like a vertical line. Third one is slanting or oblique line switch. It's like this. This is a slanting line. Slanting or oblique lines which are neither horizontal nor vertical. It's a slope at an angle. It's a slope. Fourth one, straight line or curved line. A line which either straight or a curved. A curved line is also known as a curve. This is a straight line. Straight means CD. Curve, this is a curved line. Like a mountain. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Next one is fifth. Perpendicular lines, which are intersecting lines and from a right angle. These are horizontal line and a vertical line, lie to each other and intersecting point and making a right angle. These are the 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right angle is known as a 90-degree angle. The symbol for perpendicular line is this. So complete